That's it. We were able to buy the Vios. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Medyo mainit nga, but we're here today with a client. We're gonna buy their 2015 Vios. It's color orange and they're very, very nice. A very, very nice family. Tignan natin. Ito yung kotse, no? And this is our client. Very, very guwapo. Pogi. Ito yung kotse, no? Okay pa. Color orange. Lucky color. Okay. I'll just, na-check na ito before. But of course, I just wanna, no harm in checking again. So flooding, that's why I checked sa ilalim to check if it's flooded. If it's not flooded, obviously. Then, okay, ang una ko tinitignan is the hood. Because this is pressed metal eh. So pag may nangyari dito, makita mo yung imperfection right away. Okay, next, check the sides. Kung meron siyang mga imperfections also, the clips, so all of yours are complete. Then next, dito sa ilalim. Ayan, yung beam na yan, you see it? Then the other beam, kapag may nakita kang parang welding marks or kalawang, that's also a sign. It's also nice to ask, parang, has it been any major collision? Oh, yun. So, another thing dito rin sa gitna. Ayan. Yun yung mga sisilipin mo. That's for collision. Makita mo right away if you know what you're... Pag makita mo lang, ay, po-check yung sinabi ni Kodah. Makita mo agad. And the next is engine. Kung may mga leaks, Vios ito. So, mahirap sirain itong kotse ito, pare. So, yan. Walang mga leaks. Yun lang. Tapos, flooding naman, silip ka sa ilalim ng upuan. That's it. Sa mga may lost plate naman, I wanna show everybody kasi lagi nangyayari ito eh. So, pag bibili naman kayo ng kotse na may improvise, saan yung improvise? Sa harap, sa likod?
Sa likod.
Sa likod, okay. Like for example, ito. Improvised plate siya. Kapag walang ginagawa yung mga enforcer, nakita nila yan, oy, flag down ganyan. But if you show your authorization to use na may resibo, magkasama yan. Affidavit of loss, notarized, authorization to use, and the receipt. So, all complete. Yeah. Ayan, so tapos na kami. Pagbayaran portion na. Thank you so much, pare. Thank you so much. Until next time.
Yeah.
I'll like to take a photo lang. Kami sa All Cars, we have a no mileage tampering guarantee. We're very, very proud of that. So, one way for us to prove na totoo yung mileage, I asked the owner, or the previous owner in this case. Oh, hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon. My very, very nice client, and I bought his 2015 Vios. And for a 2015, medyo mababa yung mileage mo, ha? Ano yung mileage na kotse mo, sir? Oh, around thereabout. So, not bad. And then, they took care of the car. The reason why you're selling your car is you're buying a new one, tama?
Yes.
Oh, yun lang. Anyway, pleasure doing business. If you wanna sell your cars and buy cars, my name is Kodah. Oh, thank you, thank you. My name is Kodah. I hope you had a smooth transaction with me. If you want to sell your cars, my name is Kodah of All Cars. Have a nice day. That's it. We were able to buy the Vios from Sir. They're also going to be busy. So, tayo naman, we're going to take a slow day after this. We're just going to check some cars. Si Jerwin gusto daw mag-half day. O sige, walang problema. Ako din, maybe I'll have something nice to eat. But thank you guys. If you want to sell your cars, if you want to buy cars, my name is Kodah of All Cars. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So, we'd love to help. Come by our showroom, Valero Car Park 2, Makati City. We have 300 cars there for sale. We have a new office sa ground floor, right beside Uncle John's. So, we'll see you there. Have a nice day, guys.